Hello students, welcome back to the session on financial institutions, or say as a part of financial services and markets. We were discussing in previous sessions, we were dealing with the financial institutions of our country. So as a part of that, we were discussing the banking structure. So let's discuss today on commercial banking. So a commercial banking is a financial institution which performs the functions of accepting deposits from the general public and giving the loans for investment with the aim of earning profit. So simple, it is an institution which accepts the deposit from public, accepts deposits from the general public and lend the same amount in terms of loans for investments to the public with an aim of earning profit. So simple to understand, it's in financial institutions established with the main function of accepting deposits and lending loans to public with an aim of earning profit. Okay, so let's see what are the objectives or what is the main purpose we need to have a commercial banking system or say commercial banks and how they help us in terms of financial system or say an economic development perspective. So let's see what are the objectives of commercial bank. Okay. So to establish an institution for maximizing profits and to conduct overall economic activities. So we know economic activities is an economy is a region or a space or where we see a movement of uh, goods produced and the supply of money. So somewhere commercial banks helps in terms of the supply of money and the movement of money. So which gives us somewhere enhancement of the industrial growth in order to produce more goods and consume more goods. Okay. Next is to collect savings or idle money from the public at lower rate of interest and lend these public money at a higher rate of interest. So somewhere we see the idleness with respect to the savings of money. So these banks would promote in terms of investments among the public in terms of savings and converting them as an investments by accepting deposits from the public at a lower rate. Sorry, yes, collecting to collect savings from or idle money from the public at a lower rate and lending the same money at a higher rate. So it's somewhere it creates an awareness or the interest among the people in terms of savings to deposit the money with the bank. Okay. To create propensity of savings amongst the people. So that's what to create the intensity or the interest among the people in terms of savings. To motivate people for investing money with a view to bring solvency in them. So to achieve the financial stability, it is very important to save the money. So that is how the commercial bank work or create awareness in terms of saving money in order to achieve the solvency with respect to their financial ability or say financial stability. So it motivates people for investing money in order to stabilize or to reach the solvency stage. To create money against money as an alternative for enhancing supply of money. So it is a system which helps us to create money against money in the sense creation of credit. So when we receive money, then only we'll be able to create money. As for banks, it is not easy to create money. So when we have deposits, we have received the deposits. So that is how we create the credit system against the deposits for people, and which enhances the supply of money for the industries or manufacturers which can produce more goods and which can which can give more consumption or level in terms of economy. To build a capital through savings, yes. So now, as I said, economic growth, this commercial bank would lead to an economic growth by providing the capital through the savings. So capital to whom is a question. It's for the industries who are involved in the production or a manufacturing activity. So when we have a production system available which are sufficient enough to give us the products what we are in need in terms of usage or say consumption, so if they are capable enough to produce, they need money. So somewhere these banks would create capital for such industries through savings. Okay, to expedite investments. This banks would help industries in terms of investments by providing them capital. Okay, so to extend services to the customers, the services in the sense bank doesn't act. The commercial banks, the primary functions of the commercial bank is to accept deposits and lend money. But somewhere they do also have the programs. There are various programs which extend their services to the customers. Apart from the primary functions, they do act as a consultants, they do act as a agents, they do act as underwriters or guarantors. So such services can be extended from the commercial banks to their customers. To maintain economic stability by means of controlling the money market. So money market is, so the demand and the supply has to be managed in terms of money. So these banks would help in terms of accepting deposits and creating credit against the deposits. Somewhere it balances. See, a person having 10,000 with him idle, it's nowhere use. If the money same being invested in a bank and created as credit against the deposits, would help some other manufacturing industries in order to invest in their manufacturing process. So somewhere the supply and the demand of money, if it is balanced, this economic stability would be achieved at uh, very easy level, but at an ease. So we can achieve an economic stability very strong. So to maintain the economic stability, the supply of money and the demand of money has to be met by the supply of money. So somewhere commercial banks contributes in terms of managing the money market in terms of supply and demand of money. Okay. So next is to extend the cooperation and advice to the government on economic issues. So commercial banks somewhere acts as an advisory system in order to government and so on certain economic issues wherever as and when required. So to assist the government for trade and business and socio-economic development. So if any trade or any business or any socio-economic developments, these government assists, sorry, these banks or commercial banks assist government with respect to any development, any economic development activities. So this was all about the objectives of commercial bank.